think I woke him up. Please be sure to subscribe, like this video, comment, and all that. Like, subscribe, comment, crap. Definitely watch all the way through. All right, we're gonna clean this microwave, but with some magic. Now, my family is upstairs sleeping. This is why I'm doing this voiceover. So I'm just gonna talk through, but we're gonna clean the microwave, and I'm gonna show you some cool tips on how to do it. But first, let's get some coffee. Gotta have coffee in the morning. And, nah, maybe not. Scratch that. Let's get this. Yeah, baby. This is what you need when you have to clean. You need to have a nice drink. I like to have a nice beer when I clean. You got to make cleaning fun. So let's get into it. All right, first off, I'm going to go ahead and get a bowl of water. This is the magic here. Small bowl of water. You're going to place it inside the dirty microwave. And we're going to turn it on high for 3 minutes. And what this does is it creates humidity inside the microwave, softens up all of the grease and grime, but also gets under it and lifts it up. So I'm going to wet down my sponge here. And we're going to wait for it to count down. Perfect time to have another sip. What? All right, another tool is grab a spatula with a flat edge. This is going to use to scrape up all of the hard bits of food that just didn't get softened up. All right, it's ready. This is pretty hot, so you're going to want to protect your fingertips here. Here, I'm just going to grab a towel, place it on top, get it out of there. All right, oops. Drop some water on the floor there. Okay, let me clean this up really quick. Of course, you got to remove the tray, and you got to remove the spin rack. Now on the scratchy portion of my sponge, I'm just going to start lifting up all the food and debris that's in here and just start cleaning it all up. Now for these hard to reach areas like these corners, little crevices, I go ahead and grab a used toothbrush. This way I can kind of get in there and pick it out, and it just doesn't stay in there. Now you may have to do another iteration of heating up the water. Hopefully you get it to boiling, just again to soften up all the food particles, get moisture under it, make it very humid in there. Here, I'm going to do it just for a minute. Let's have another drink. Yeah. Want some? Check it out. Yeah, that's boiling there. Perfect. Now I'm going to scrape up all of this junk on the top here. Check it out. Another item you're going to need is paper towels just to soak up all the water. I'm going to try to do this with one hand because I'm holding the camera with the other. Yeah, trying to work it here. Tearing off a brand new roll. Let me just go ahead and remove it. Yeah, this actually works. Damn thing. Success! That was kind of like a kung fu movie. Now for the door, I'm going to go ahead and heat up water one last time. 1 minute. You know what? I'm just going to chill. Nope. I'm going to have another sip of my drink. Oh yeah. Oh, check this out. This is my pumpkin beers collection while we're waiting that I put on top of the cabinets every year. If you're a fan of pumpkin beer, I love it. A lot of people hate it, but I love it. My little decor. That's right. Oh, we're done. Again, please be sure to subscribe, like this video, comment, all that, like, subscribe, comment, crap. But definitely watch all the way through. Subscribe. I think I woke him up. Thanks for watching. Scott from Scott's Top Tips. We'll see you on the next one.